So hello guys, so our today's problem is write a C program in which keep taking input from user until user enter multiple of 7. So let's start. Hash include studio.h int main bracket open int n. Now we apply do while loop. Do printf enter the number scanf percentage d comma ampersand n printf percentage d slash n comma n. Now if statement, if n is mod by 7 equal 0, then we will break the statement, and here we apply while 1. Now in next line we write return 0. So now let's run it. Now see here, we enter 43, we enter 32, we enter 45. When we enter 42, then it's exit. So guys, thank you for watching the video.